We can be confident that having met the standards, we can provide volunteers with a high quality volunteering experience.
Organisations like it, schools like it, families like it, and it's attracted more volunteers into the organisation and helped the organisation immensely.
Investing in volunteers is a quality standard that volunteer-involving organisations can go through. It's a 13-month process. At the end of it, you get assessed and you get accredited the Investing in Volunteers mark.
It has enabled us to look critically at what we were doing, to see where we were providing high quality support for volunteers, where any of the gaps were, enabled us to fill those gaps.
We had a fantastic mentor who has supported us through the WCVA, and I think it opens your eyes as well as sort of like a manager or a head of an organisation to make sure that you do have the right processes in for volunteers, the enrolment forms, induction forms, DBS, how we file, GDPR.
It gives the community trust in the organisation. It gives validation to the volunteers that it's a good project to volunteer in.
I volunteer as a cafe assistant. Volunteering has impacted my life a lot. I honestly don't know where I'd be maybe if I hadn't come here and started. It's all that confidence building I think is the main thing.
It makes me feel okay, yeah, that I am doing what I'm supposed to be doing.
I think volunteering is very important because it gives anyone really that chance of doing something new, doing something a bit different.
I really learned a lot. Language, social skills, interacting with many kind of people.
I think investing in volunteers shows that we follow best practice. It shows that we're an organisation that take volunteers very, very seriously.
It will enable you to look critically at your practice, that you're providing the best possible environment for people to volunteer with you.